Jedan od glavnih preduslova jeste politička stabilnost u Srbiji.
Political stability is one of the main prerequisites for the continuation of reform process in the Republic of Serbia.
Pre svega smatram da Srbija treba da prestane da bude zemlja propuštenih prilika.
First of all, I believe that Serbia should cease to be the country of missed opportunities.
Priliku koju je Srbija dobila pre svega zahvaljujući uspešnim rezultatima u proteklim godinama, Srbija ne sme da propusti, zato što je već dovoljno vremena izgubila u prošlosti.
So I hold the view that the opportunity that Serbia was given should not be missed, and this opportunity was given to it thanks to the excellent results achieved in last
Potreban
year.
nam je nastavak ekonomskih reformi,
We need a continuation of economic reforms
potreban nam je rast brutodruštvenog proizvoda,
and the growth of the GDP,
rast industrijske proizvodnje,
as well as of the industrial
što će
production,
neminovno dovesti naravno i do rasta zarada i
which
penzija.
will inevitably, of course, lead to the increase of wages.
Za to je neophodna naravno i politička atmosfera koja će odisati u duhu političke stabilnosti.
And of course, the political environment and atmosphere that will be in the spirit of political stability is also necessary for the achievement of this goal.